everybody, I'm back, and today I need to stop bringing my phone to these. So yeah, if you notice, I'm in my PJs because it's the end of the day. I finally get to wash the day off of me and do a little self-care. It's a little time for me every day to take care of my skin, and I thought I would share that routine with you. So first thing we have to do is get my hair out of my face. So gotta get all this makeup off and get a nice clean face for sleeping so my body can rejuvenate itself, but it doesn't hurt to help it along. So first thing I need to do is get this lipstick off, and I just do that with a cleansing facial wipe. Nothing fancy. This is the Target brand. Now, lashes need to come off, and I'm going to use a Q-tip and a little bit of oil-free eye makeup remover. Again, this is just the Target brand. I'm going to dip a Q-tip in it and get it kind of saturated, and then kind of wipe off the excess on the rim. And then I'm just gonna rub the edge of where the lash band is until the lash just falls off. Just in like little circular motions. We'll break up the glue, and then you can kind of wiggle it under the lash and as it comes loose. There it is. And then I use the other side just to kind of clean up there a little. And then the other side. I don't like to just yank it off because I don't want to pull out my real lashes. Pretty. Okay, now I know a lot of people save their lashes, but I don't know what it is. I can't do that. I know I will just throw them away after one use. But I buy my lashes at the dollar store. So I'm not really wasting much. I can never get the glue off all the way. I don't know what it is. I can't reuse lashes. I have a couple pairs that, you know, were a little pricey that I save and I spend time meticulously getting the glue off, but for the most part, I just buy my lashes at the dollar store and then just toss them after one use. Okay, so that's all off. Now, I need to wash my face. I'm going to wash, rinse, and repeat. So I make sure I really get all this makeup off. And I use the facial wash for oily skin by PCA. I put it in this little pump just because it makes it easier. Take it out of the original bottle. The original bottle looks something like this. I'm gonna go run and wash this face off, and I will be right back. Okay, all clean. I didn't think I needed to actually show you washing my face. I think we all know kind of how to wash our face. If you do want to see how I actually wash my face, you can check out the video where I show you my AM routine. I actually show me washing my face in that one. I still have a little tiny bit of eye makeup, so I'm gonna get a cotton ball Get a little more of this eye makeup remover on it and just kind of press it to the eyelid, just so we're being super gentle, not rubbing too much around those delicate eyes. Gotta treat yourself like your porcelain. Look a crack. Gotta be good to yourself. Nice. Gentle. I should take my own advice. I am going to tone now. Cotton ball. And I'm using the Smoothing Toner by PCA. And just one swipe over the face. Down the neck. Oh, it feels so good. I like to fan it a little bit so it gets dry. Eye cream is next. So in the evenings, I use the Ideal Complex Revitalizing Eye Gel from PCA. Let me make the video show it properly. I don't know how YouTubers do that. Just like in the mornings with the other cream, you need a very small amount. And then just dab it between your two fingers and tap it all around your eye area where you're mostly like where you're gonna get smile lines, which is like, you know, like right here. And if you don't know where you get them, just smile in the mirror, you'll see them. Any excess on my fingers, I just wipe on the back of my hands. I don't want to waste a drop. Now for my serum, this is where things get a little complicated. I don't exactly alternate, but I'll do my rejuvenating serum for 2 days. Then the next day, I'll do the intensive age refining treatment 1 night, then 2 days, then 1 night, then, you know, you get it. Okay, and that's just because the intensive age refining treatment has 0.5% pure retinol. So that can be a little harsh if you use it too much. Everyone's skin is a little different. It can handle different things. I try not to use this more than twice a week, basically. I'll do either one of these. I don't want to use this one too much because it can make you sensitive to the sun. And I'm already, because I'm so fair, I'm already very sensitive to the sunlight. I burn literally in like 5 minutes if I'm in direct sunlight without any protection. I gotta be real careful about stuff like that. So you're just gonna take your serum and press it into the skin. Really shove that into the pores. Get in there. And now all I have to do is moisturize. For my moisturizer, and again, I will switch back and forth between this one and a different one depending on how, like sometimes even though I have oily skin, in the winter, I'll get dry patches like around my nose, sometimes the corners of my mouth, sometimes my eyebrows. So if I'm having one of those issues, I'll switch to a heavier moisturizer. Most of the time, I don't need that heavy of a moisturizer. So I use the PCA Rebalance, which is a very light moisturizer. Now when your moisturizer comes, or any type of cream that comes in like a pot like this, don't put your finger in it. We have oils, germs, bacteria that aren't necessarily bad for us, but we don't want to stick our fingers in there and then have contaminated the entire jar. So what I do instead is I take a Q-tip and I scoop out just the amount that I need, which isn't much, maybe like that much, that on my hand. And then we just kind of smooth it over real quick. always kind of use like an upward motion when we're putting on creams and that kind of thing. Just again to help our skin lift. And yeah, that's it. That's my evening skincare routine. I do that every night. I'm all ready for bed. I'm all cozy. I'm ready to get some tea, settle into bed, maybe watch a Disney movie or something like that until I fall asleep. If you liked this video, make sure and let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you'll know when I upload new videos, because you don't want to miss them, right? I will see you in the next one. Bye.